Welcome back to Two Wheel Titles, your ultimate stop for all things motorcycle. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 Honda Goldwing, a machine that continues to redefine luxury touring with its smooth performance, tech-packed features, and refined design. Whether you're a longtime touring rider or simply dreaming about the open highway, this full review will give you everything you need to know about the latest evolution of this iconic bike. The 2025 Goldwing stays true to its heritage but elevates comfort and innovation to the next level. At the heart of the bike is a 1,833cc six-cylinder engine, a flat-six powerhouse that delivers buttery smooth torque and refined cruising. Honda has managed to strike a near-perfect balance between effortless highway riding and responsive acceleration, especially useful for overtaking or climbing steep mountain roads. The engine is mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission or the advanced 7-speed DCT, giving riders the freedom to choose how involved they want to be on the road. The bike's chassis has been slightly revised to improve handling in low-speed scenarios, a welcome change especially for city commuting or maneuvering through tight parking spots. Suspension is handled by a double wishbone front setup and a single-shock Pro-Link rear, making long-distance rides smooth and stable even on imperfect roads. Technology-wise, the 2025 Goldwing impresses with a wide TFT display that integrates navigation, audio, and bike diagnostics into a sharp, easy-to-read interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing full smartphone integration. The sound system gets an upgrade this year with clearer audio, better speaker placement, and noise-canceling tech to enhance sound quality at high speeds. Storage remains generous, with hard saddlebags and a spacious top box that's now better sealed against the elements. Riders can comfortably store helmets, gear, and essentials for long trips without needing extra luggage. Honda has also improved the seat cushioning and wind protection, adding to the plush ride feel. Heated grips and seats remain standard, and an optional airbag system is still available for those seeking added safety. One standout improvement is the rider assist tech. The 2025 model now includes adaptive cruise control and a more refined traction control system that adapts more smoothly to wet or slippery surfaces. Paired with selectable riding modes, it ensures a confident ride across various terrains and weather conditions. Styling-wise, the Goldwing looks sleeker and more aerodynamic. LED lighting throughout gives it a modern edge, while color options for 2025 include a new deep crimson metallic that really stands out in the sunlight. Every curve and line on this bike reflects its purpose as a grand tourer meant to cover miles with style and ease. In summary, the 2025 Honda Goldwing delivers an unmatched combination of power, comfort, and innovation, staying true to its touring roots while evolving to meet the needs of modern riders. It's a motorcycle designed for those who crave distance, adventure, and luxury in every journey. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth motorcycle reviews, latest updates, and comparisons right here on Two Wheel Titles.